This is a Bucolic cube puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Yasuhiro Hashimoto. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to make a 3x3x3 shape using 3 identical parts. But once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that you can easily make like a half of the cube shape, but then it looks totally impossible to stick the last piece, since it always sticks out and ruins the shape of the puzzle. So you have to find a correct way to put parts together to make a 3x3x3 shape. If you like the Bucolic cube puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe to Puzzle Master YouTube channel if you want to see more videos about puzzles. So how to solve the Bucolic cube puzzle? This puzzle is quite interesting and tricky because it is kind of pushing you to solve the puzzle in the wrong way, since each piece looks like a part of the square, of a cube. Like you can see there is one side, there is another, there is a part of the next side. So you think that if you put this piece here, then you already created one side of the cube. Then it goes like another side of the cube. Here is a part of another side. But once you try to stick the third piece, it ruins the shape and it is not a cube already, since it is 4x3x4. So if you try to put it in a different way, it also ruins the shape. So it is the wrong approach. And you have to stop thinking about these parts as a corner pieces and try to find a different approach. So what you have to do here is to put two parts like that. They create one side of the cube. Then this part isn't the side of the cube, it will be in the middle. Then you grab the third piece, put it like that, and that is the solution of the Bucolic cube puzzle. As you can see, we made a 3x3x3 shape and there are no sticking out parts. And that was the solution of the Bucolic cube. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.